Provider-DECAPOWER Welding Equipment Co. As Ltd. has been dedicated to the R&D and manufacturing of welding and plasma cutting machines since 2011. Today, follow our lens to see how your machines are crafted. Every process is refined to ensure quality control at the source. Equipped with dual advanced SMT production lines, we achieve component placement with pinpoint accuracy. Manual meticulousness blends seamlessly with automated precision. From component prep to circuit board formation, every step reflects rigorous craftsmanship and quality pursuit. Each soldered joint embodies artisan focus, marking key transformation from parts to finished products. Every assembled PCB will be debugged by our professional tester. We begin with the first product checking to verify all components against our technical standards. Then we move to products assembling, where every internal module is precisely integrated. Next is functional testing to ensure the circuit logic and power systems are fully operational. We perform the semi-weld test to check the arc stability of the internal power source. After assembly, the final weld test confirms the machine's performance at maximum output. We then proceed to labeling and packing, securing the unit for international transit. This is followed by precision diagnostics using professional instruments to calibrate every parameter. Finally, the packaging reliability test ensures the product withstands the toughest shipping conditions. Quality is our foundation. Innovation is our drive. From technical research to professional breakthroughs, where wisdom meets execution. DECAPOWER. From micro welders to intelligent CNC systems, where welding technology meets industrial intelligence, committed to quality, driven by you. Let's achieve greatness together.